Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the internet computer family. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love on the internet computer updates, literally from the beginning. I made the update yesterday, really wanted you guys to, show support. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these updates, and you guys did exactly that. So let's waste no more time and have a discussion revolving around internet computers. So ICP is up 1.5%, so it's one of the coins that's actually still maintaining to stay within the green. And again, some people are obviously going to come out and say Crypto ZX, that's not even a big deal. And I kind of have to agree with that because pretty much the broader market is still in green. Yes, you are starting to see a few handful coins here and there that are starting to go in the red, but majority of the market still remains to be in the green. So of course we need to keep that factor in mind. But let's take a closer look and see what really is happening with internet computer. One thing to note is if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, ICP is one of the coins that's in green as well. So again, these are small things. Of course, some people are going to come out and say, well, Crypto ZX, internet computer's not up 30-40% over the past 1 week. But the fact that it's green is something that we cannot ignore. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So ICP is currently sitting at $7.44, up 1.5% in USD and about 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative. The market cap, 3.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $62.6 million. As far as the price of internet computer goes, I have been talking about that over the last update. It starts to seem like it has kind of found a ground for itself because due to Bitcoin's volatility, and again, guys, if you watch my channel on a regular basis, you guys know BTC has been seeing record high volatility, but pretty much internet computer seems to have found a ground for itself, and again, that is a good thing as far as price action goes. And I do believe, I'm very confident in this specific thing, that if Bitcoin is able to have a little bit of a relief rally into the 23.6, I think internet computer could really start moving, especially when you look at it from this point of view. If you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, it's still pretty much hovering around the 56.93%. But again, we need to pay very close attention to this specific number as we are going into this brand new week. Over the weekend, CME futures are close. I take whatever happens through the market, with a grain of salt. But as we do go into a brand new week, let's see what happens. Some external news that can impact the crypto markets. But this dominance number can literally shoot up in a snap. So we don't really want to get super excited. But if this number starts plummeting down, this could be a huge trigger for altcoins to start moving specifically. So that's why I have my eyes on the dominance index like never before, as you guys know. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend BTC. So Bitcoin did make its way up to $55,300, but nothing too crazy, as I've said. If you watch the XRP update, I said, it's not a time to be getting super excited. Pretty much you do want to see the price of Bitcoin going back into the red zone, which is the 23.6. Most importantly, on my channel, the confirmation level, of course, is at 64K. If you know, you know. But as of now, obviously that's not the case. So pretty much would not even be surprised if Bitcoin does make its way down to $49,000 based off of just a small news. If stock market doesn't look good this week, would not be surprised at all that we do see BTC going back down to this level. Would not be surprised at all. So again, we need to keep that factor in mind. Now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at internet computer on a closer time scale. People tend to focus on, oh yeah, $200, $300 price points. Forget it. And you guys know that on the channel, pretty much from the all-time highs all the way till now, I've been saying this from the beginning. You don't want to be worrying about those crazy prices. First and foremost, you need to get above certain key levels before you can start having those price discussions. Of course, there's burning mechanism, which a lot of people in the community are excited about. But again, the burning mechanism needs to obviously speed up. And I think internet computer is still in the early stages compared to its competitors, and this is what excites me about internet computer itself. And again, what they're doing. What they're doing, of course, they have the narrative behind themselves, which is of course a layer one. But what they're trying to do is something no other project is trying to do right now, and that's where the excitement part comes into play. As far as the native token goes, though, it's like I said. and I'll say it again, from yesterday, it's pretty much has found a ground for itself around this range. So we did see the price of ICP trying to break back towards the upside, but again, one thing is clear, we don't have enough volume, and on top of that, BTC seeing a little bit of a red candle does not help at all. So obviously, if Bitcoin is able to get back into the 23.6, most importantly to the confirmation level, let's make a prediction about that. If if BTC were to go up to that 64K level, that's about a 17.2% move from the current price levels. Usually altcoins tend to move double digits. So let's see, we could honestly see ICP making its way up to this key resistance at that $9.75 if Bitcoin is able to get into that range, as long as dominance were not able to change completely. But I'm liking how it's holding right now, believe it or not. Of course, if that was not the case, I mentioned this in my other update as well, I wouldn't be saying that. I'd be saying, no, ICP is looking bearish. But as of now, looks like it has found a ground for itself. And I do believe this target at $9.75 could be a realistic short-term target if BTC is able to make its move back into this zone that I've just spoken about. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys think and what excites you the most about ICP. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.